What's up there? We build auxiliary and playblade. Let's get to it. So we got double box opening days later. Chain Incensio 560 XT and the Arrow Wuzard 460M for Wuzard. The band. This is not in the actual parts for it. Let's open it. The names ain't to be the same as Japanese because you gotta. I don't know why they changed it, but they changed it. Now this is test because I don't usually buy American. I got this for Christmas present. Oh, Wizard. Now this may free spin, but I can't wait. Like, you can, but not buried. And then probably like a shop kind of, but I'm not sure how good it is. Could be a defense thought. And then Chain Incensio. Got a hole in the center. Okay, this is the balance top, I believe. Yeah. Damn, go in, please, go in. Nah, let's bow test them out. 3, 2, 1, shoot. Serious.
Jag var den för att det är mer. Det var inte en mer. Vad är den för you?
Or nothing. The Wizard won. What? 3, 2, 1. Now these are Japanese launchers. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, spin again.
No.
Left. 3, 2, 1. Nah, I'm not sure point systems. We ain't doing points right now. So, World Makeup by CHAIN INCENSIO and the Wizard.
I want the butt say.
These are American ones, so I don't know. Yeah, I like Japanese 10 times better. Who knows? You might not screw up this time. But like and subscribe if you like it. And keep laying out.